In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Edikted promo code. So let's get started. So Edikted is a fashion brand for women, and you might be wondering on how you can get a discount. Well, first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up Edikted promo code. So once you have done that, you're gonna head over to the first website, wethrift.com. So you're gonna click on it. So once you're on the website, you're gonna see a code 50% off dresses. So as you can see, the success rate is 97%. So this is surely gonna work for you. And as you can see, it's a verified working coupon because it was tested 3 hours ago. So you can click show code, and it's automatically going to copy the code, and you can use that code at checkout. Similarly, there's another code here, 10% off your order. So there's a 99% success rate, so you can copy and use it at checkout. You can explore many other codes here. So yeah, so as you can see, there are many verified here, and yeah, and they all have a success rate of 100%. Now I'm gonna head over to some other website and show you a few more codes. Alright, then you can head over to this website, Business Insider. You're gonna click on it. So once you're on this website, the first one is apply this code and get a $10 off your purchase. So RABC10 is gonna give you a $10 off your purchase. So there's another code here, which is gonna give you another. It's gonna give you a $10 off your purchase again, and this is GABM10. And then I'm gonna scroll down, and there's another code here, which is gonna give you a 10% off with this code. So this is the code for giving you a 10% off. So as you can see, there are many codes here, and you can go and try as many as you want until you find the one which fits you the best. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.